Yeah, I guess that might be important.
Yeah.
I actually had to see a patient. And I'm thinking, oh,
I know, that's what I thought he was going to say too.
yeah, like just to go in like for a patient on Saturday.
He should be back by 9 probably.
Abby's pulling on my dress.
It started at 5. So.
Well, it's been cool. I don't know if your mom told you, I've been able to meet up in Tri-Cities a couple times in the last month with the girls. So that's cool. I mean,
She's
you know,
smiling.
that means that we don't have to drive all the way up here, but
Yeah.
she's already in Tri-Cities and just hanging out.
That.
Yeah, waiting
Yeah.
for Craig to get off work. So I'm like, hey, we'll just come up and hang out with you. Let's go shopping. So we usually go shopping and spend money, which is fun.
So you guys gonna go see Great Girl?
Well, I know they texted Cheryl earlier when we had taken a pit stop.
Abby's still pulling on my dress.
And she said that was totally fine. Yeah, she was mentioning probably wouldn't be a good idea to bring Lucy, although I wasn't planning on bringing Lucy because she's just a really
Abby.
sensitive child. She knows what's going on with her grandma, but
Go.
Don't pull her off the couch.
really elaborated because I just
Say hi, Abby.
just turned it down. I don't want her to get upset because she gets upset easily.
Say hi.
When Cheryl had a cold and had to cancel and she was like a month ago and couldn't eat it because she was losing all this weight. Oh, because she thought Cheryl was going to sometimes they die. And I'm like, sometimes they die. But I don't remember Cheryl was really that sick. Well, but sometimes people get cancer and die. Well, my uncle had cancer and he died. And so I think she remembers that and makes the connection.
Yeah.
I don't want my grandma to die. I think your grandma's going to just bless you, Abby.
She tried to eat my. She tried to eat my snail. Abby tried to eat my snail.
Oh, she did? Well, did you put it in your mouth?
No.
They eat that stuff in France.
Abby.
Looked over at you and like and started laughing.
Yeah, that's kind of.
I don't think I ever have.
Get my stomach rumbling.
Yeah. Is that or is that from just normal? It's the usual.
Did you pick up your art stuff already? Okay.
Do you want this?
I did some exercise.
You did some
That
exercise.
last people cannot do.
You missed seeing Uncle Mike.
Snail?
Oh yeah, you want to do your show Lucy your dance move?
Yeah, show
Show her the
Lucy.
video.